الباقي راح نستضيف كل الكاس اكيد الكلمه الحلوه كارينا كابور والوسيم اكيد اللي عنده كثير والعديد من المرتبات. عمران خان لفيلمهم الجديد كارين رجال. Welcome to Dubai.
Thank you so much.
I love what you're wearing, Karina, and yeah, I love your outfit.
Thank you.
Well, I'm sorry, ladies first.
Of
Let's
course.
talk about your character in the film, and then we're gonna just proceed.
Well, I play the role of a social activist, somebody who's always, up to fight a cause, somebody who's ready to take on, any sort of protest. She's ready to join them. Like I said in the conference, whether it's anti-pollution, anti-corruption, somebody who has a goal. Very unlike the hero's character, which is played by Imran. Somebody who is extremely...
Sriram is he's a very self-involved guy, very selfish. He doesn't care about anyone other than himself. He wants to have fun, he wants to go partying with his friends, he wants to hook up with girls, that's it.
Okay, that's cool, and I'm so happy to see you guys here because after a long time, again, I'm seeing the pair on the screen after Ekme or Ekto.
Yes.
It's beautiful, and I love your, the Shalwar Kameez. I think it suits you more on the screen.
I agree. I think most of my fans liked Desi Avatar a lot more than the Western look. And I myself am very comfortable, in Indian clothes. I mean, it is our attire, our national attire, and I love wearing it.
Okay, talking about fans, I have some questions here. We have Layla. There is a question for you, Imran. And she's saying, what is your reaction when the director Puneet offered you the role? How did you react?
To be completely honest, the first time he gave me the script, I didn't like it. So I said, dude, because I liked his first half. I felt it was a lot of fun. The second half was not working for me.
Okay.
Even the second time I read it, I didn't like it. The third time, I still didn't like it. It was the fourth time when he had done a lot of work on the screenplay that I read it and I finally got what he was going for. And that's when it hit me that actually what he's making is a much better film.
Okay, I think Layla, she got the answer. And then there's another fan for Karina. Her name is Malika. And she's asking you, what is the most special thing about this movie?
Well, I think the most special thing about the film is that the first half of the film, you get a very urban kind of setting. You get something which is very city-based. We've shot it in Bangalore, which is quite beautiful, and it's a lovely city. And in the second half, we go into the village, which is a small town called Jhumli, and you get to see a very rustic and rural kind of India.
And then you have to get used to the environment.
Yes.
Alrighty. Then there is Maria and Muhammad, and they are asking Imran, how is the experience of working with Karina for the second time?
Well, the second time it's a lot easier because when you're working with someone who you have not worked with before,
That you're familiar with.
yeah, it takes a little time to break the ice, to figure out each other's style as an actor. This time I feel like we had a head start. By the time we started shooting, it's like we had already done a film together. We already understood each other very well.
No one is teasing the other.
Well, I wasn't teasing her.
Only in the film.
Only in the film, yeah, I can see that. Okay, then we have Asala from Morocco, and she's asking Karina, which are the countries you would like to visit? I think Morocco, you already have been there.
Yes, I've been to Morocco. I love Morocco, and I don't know. I think
It's on my list of places to visit.
stunning, and the people there love Indian movies. They
Yeah,
are
they are
obsessed with
crazy
Hindi
about
movies.
Indian movies.
So I would love to go. I didn't spend a lot of time in Casablanca. I
Okay.
would love to do that.
But you went to Marrakesh.
Yes.
Are we going to see
I went
both
to
of you
Tangier
in Marrakesh Film Festival? No, maybe.
But we've been invited, but I don't know. Are we going?
I don't know, when is it?
It's 29th of
Oh.
November.
No, doubtful. Because our film released on the 22nd.
Maybe then next year. inshallah.
Probably
Next
next
year.
year.
Okay, then after Morocco, where do you want to go? Any Arabic country in your mind?
Well, I mean, I just went to Lebanon a little bit, but
Yeah,
it
I
is
saw your performance. It was
yes
brilliant.
on Arab's Got Talent,
Yeah.
but I didn't get to see too much of Beirut. I would love to. There's so much history. They've still, got some of the buildings that have collapsed. Some of them are still there, like the way they are. like the way when during the war in like 2006, 2007 at that time. But I want to go to the spots actually and see. I didn't have time. I was there for like a day and a half.
Okay, then Karina, she wants to explain more about Beirut. Okay, cool. Then I have another question for you, Imran. All our questions today from your fans. Ma'moon, he's asking, would you like to work with Karina again? I don't know what is going on with her. And what kind of film you want to do with her?
I think that it would be nice perhaps for us to do an out and out and something a little
Action.
more action. No,
No?
she has no interest in action.
No.
Talking about something that has a lot more substance, a lot more drama. I think that it would be a lot of fun to do something like that
If
because
this film does well, then I'm sure
Then
people will
then the
want
next
to
one.
see us together again.
Inshallah, for sure. Well, let's talk more about the tracks in the film.
My favorite is Shake That Too.
Love it.
Yeah, I think it's brilliant. It's it's got a lot of energy and it's like a Punjabi kind of wedding, which the atmosphere is
Yeah,
that,
I
the backdrop of
watched
that,
the-
which is great. I mean, I think it's going to be playing in all weddings.
And one,
it already is.
your favorite one is?
There are two songs which I like very much.
Kaunsa? First one?
One is Dhatte Ki. I think it's a very, very cool clubby song. And I like Chingam Chabake because the lyrics make me smile every time I hear them.
Okay, that's cool. I love your chemistry on the screen. It's
Thank you.
brilliant. It's brilliant. Then let's finalize this interview by having a message to all your Arabic viewers that love what you're doing on the screen. Starting with Karina.
Well, I think they're very kind. All my Arabic fans have been so kind by watching all my films. So I would like them to definitely see Gori Tere Pyar Mein on the 22nd of November because I'm sure they're going to love it.
Inshallah. Imran?
I have to say a very, very big and a heartfelt thank you to all of my Arabic fans because I find it amazing and it's such an amazing feeling that so many people outside of India watch our movies and that they love our movies and that they support us. It's a wonderful and a beautiful feeling. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you guys for both of you and enjoy Dubai.